In Python, for file handling, we use open function, and with open function, we have two parameters. As a file name, it is the first parameter, and the second parameter is mode. In this lesson, to modify a file, we will use two of these modes, append method and write method. And let's remember the other methods in this function. For example, when we use open here, our file name will be here as a first parameter, and as a second parameter, we can use read, append, write, or create. So here we'll focus on append and write to modify our file. So let's firstly create a file, and then we will modify this file with W and A. And here I'll create fileabc, and as a content I'll write weak people revenge, strong people forgive, and intelligent people ignore. And it's a really nice content. And yes, firstly, let's read our content with read methods. So here I'll use open fileabc.txt and read. And this is first parameter of open function, and this is second parameter. As mode, we will use read mode here. So here we will print what we read. Yes, our content is here. So firstly, let's use append methods, and with append method we will add something at the end of our content. So here, firstly, I'll get it file abc.txt as first parameter, and second parameter I will use append method. So here I will use x.write, and here then I will use a perfect code. Yes, I will add this one, and then I will close my file. Yes, now let's open file again and read it. So let's print what we read. Print open file abc.txt and read. And yes, a perfect quota has added at the end of our content. So we have done this with append mode of Python open function. So if you would like to change completely to this content, so let's use write method to do this, and with write method we can completely change this content. So to do this, I will use write method here, and again for write method I will write another quota here. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. And this is the proverb, this is the quota of Leonardo da Vinci. And then I will close it again. And yes, now let's read the file and print again. And as you can see, our content has only these sentences. And let's check this also here. Yes, it is here. There is only these sentences. The previous sentences quota was removed. So this is how to use write methods and append methods in Python with Python open function.